Hello guys, once again welcome back to Helping Media's short tutorials of Excel. In today's video I will show you how you can add two or three numbers in Excel. It's the basic way, but in next video I'll show you the advanced way. But it's the simple and basic way. You can add two numbers 45 and 12. You can add by simply, but if you want to add more numbers, then you can also add more numbers. But in this video, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you basic way how you can add two numbers. But before starting, if you didn't subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start. If we want to add these two numbers, then it's very easy. Click here in the cell in which you want result, press the is equal to button and press or select the first amount, then press the plus option and then select the other cell or amount and just click enter. You can see here is the result. And if you want to add all these amounts, then we don't need to apply formula on each row. Just click on here, it's the dot, click on here and drop and drag. You can see everything is added. It's the basic way how you can add two numbers in Microsoft Excel. It's very easy tutorials. I'm showing you each and every tutorial is very easy, and in basic way you can do easily this work if you watch this video properly. And more tutorial is to be coming. So if you find this tutorial helping, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.